Alright, this is Joe at Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, we are going to be cooking a little pork belly. A little pig we cleaned a couple months back, I believe. A little month back. Now I'm going to cook it in some spicy pickled quail egg. The juices out of this jar. It's got cayenne pepper, onions, jalapenos, crab oil, salt, crushed red pepper from Guidroz Urban Homestead. So he and I have been friends for a little while now. We've been trading animals back and forth. He got a few of my emu eggs off me, and I'm hoping he has better luck than me because my incubator is about to go flying out the window. I haven't finished checking the eggs. That's coming. Really, the last check is coming real soon. The last check on the eggs that were due to hatch this past week. Now, emu eggs are iffy, and they want you to be patient with them, which I am. But I am going to go ahead and break one open. If it doesn't show any development, I'll probably break all three of the ones that were due, just to see. And I'm not going to give up. It could have just been missed, but we're going to keep running all the rest of the eggs. I know I missed a Friday upload on it because I didn't make the video. I was busy last week and it was just crazy, but that's just how it works. What I'm going to do is I wanted a little snack, so I'm going to use them as a snack, but let's see if I get this. Yeah. I'm going to fold this over and fold these up. And that'll give me what I need to hold the juices for now. I'm going to open this up. Pop the top. It's got some pretty peppers in there. Pour the good stuff in there, and there's the eggs. We're not wasting the eggs. So onions, peppers, and juices. It's hot too. Good Joe at Big Joe's Outdoors. A little mishap, but we can still go from here. I turned it on. It's on high. We took the eggs, spicy pickled egg juice, and peppers and stuff, all we could, and put it on top of here. Folded it up so the moisture can stay in. And we're folding this over the top of it to give it a deal. It's on high. It's going to cook, and we'll be right back when it's done. So let's let it cook. Alrighty, we're on the second half of this. Alrighty, we're on the second half of this, where we take it out and take a look, and it looks pretty good. That's not the best idea, but we're gonna do it anyway. Oh, don't get juices on me. Oh yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna put it on the thing, give it a little flare up. Set it for a minute. And it's hot, so we can shut this off and let that build up for a second. And we're just gonna let the grease cook the rest of it. It'll still be a few more minutes. So we'll let it go and cool down, and I'll take it off when it's cooled down, and then we can give it some slices and some taste. Well, I walked away for a second. This thing was smoking its butt off, so I'd say we're done. We're going to stick it in the plate over here. It's a little overdone. And that's fine. That little piggy fat, some good burning stuff. Let's start saving it and make candles and stuff with it. Yeah, we'll get a cutting on that here in a minute. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'm still moving stuff around, doing some farm work. Alright, give the knife a good cleaning because I don't know what I used it for. Yeah, I did burn the living hell out of this thing. And that side looked good. What's in there? Oh well. We're just gonna have to make a meal of it. It's just fatty crusties, huh? It's alright. It's good, it's just you can taste the burnt. I overdid it with the burnt stuff. Didn't pay attention to it, so my bad. Still edible for the most part. The pepper seasoning, a little bit taste on it, but not much. So I should have marinated it. I'll try again in the next one. And give me a jar for me. Try again. I think the eggs were great, so I think if you marinated a good hunk of meat long enough, it would absorb it. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.